Hi students, welcome back to today's class. Now we are going to see the next session, that is create and use template. How we can create the template and how we can use an existing template, that also we will see here. What is a template? Template is a model that you use to create other document. For example, you can create the template for business reports that has your company's logo on the first page. So new documents created from this template, that is business reports template, no, if it is developed from this template, will all have your company's logo on the first page. This is the advantage of using the template. And template can contain anything that regular documents can contain, like text, graphics, setup styles, user specific setup information such as measurement units, language, default printer, toolbar, and menu customization. Everything whatever you have in the regular documents, like that in template also we will be having that. Okay, so all the documents in openoffice.org are based on the templates only. Okay, whatever documents we are creating in openoffice.org are based on the templates only. So you can create a specific template for any document type, like a text document or spreadsheet document or drawing or presentation document, anything you can create a specific template. If you do not specify a template when you start a new document, okay, if you are not specifying any template name when you are starting the new document by clicking on file new, then the document is based on the default template for the type of the document. So whichever document you are creating, it will be defaultly choosing the default template which is available in the OVO writer. If you have not specified a default template, so OVO uses the blank template for the type of the document that is installed with OVO. Okay, if you are not mentioning the default template, what will happen? If you have not specified, blank template will get opened for the type of the document which we are creating newly now. Okay, so how we can create a template? There are two ways we can create the template. One is by creating from the document and by using a wizard. Okay, so first we will see how we can create a template from the document. For that we need to click on open. There is new or existing document of the type that you want to make it into a template, like a text document or spreadsheet or drawing or presentation. You need to open and you need to type some contents in that. Okay, and styles also, if you want to add, you can add the styles also. After that, from the main menu, choose file, templates, and save. Okay, from the file menu, what we need to do, we need to choose the, see, we'll open office writer again. Okay, so in that I'll show how to create a new template. Okay, so we need to, so in the new template field, see here, file, new, text document if you are giving, or templates and documents. If you want to open any new document with already existing templates and documents, you can click on this templates and documents. Otherwise, what we need to do here is, after creating a document, no, with some styles and contents, we need to click on file, templates, and save. See, file, templates, and then we need to click on save, and then you need to choose the folder from in which place you want to save your new template. After typing some headings and all, okay, header, footer, and some logos if you added, no, for the template, and background color, anything you can do for the for making a template. After that, you need to click on file, templates, save, then templates, the dialog box will open. In that, new template name you need to give, and inside my templates category, no, categories list will be listed like this: presentation backgrounds, presentation, my templates. So in that, you need to click on this, and you need to, after giving the type template name, no, you just click on OK. Okay, so like that you need to save your newly created template. Okay, so in the new template field, type the name for the new templates in the categories list. So I have shown you the categories list. Okay, file, templates, save now. In the categories list, you need to choose the folder to where you need to save your template. Okay, where you want to assign the template. The category you choose has no effect on the template itself. It is simply the folder in which you are saving the template. Choosing an appropriate category makes it easier to find the template when you want to use it. So if you know the place where you are inserting, it will be easier for us to later use the same template from that folder. Okay, so it is just like a place in order to assign the template. You might save the Impress templates under the presentations category. So for example, if you want to save Impress templates, you can save it under presentations category. See, under presentations category, you can save any Impress templates and all. Okay, so like that we can create the new template, and then finally you click OK to save the new template. After giving name, the OK will get enabled. So just click on OK in order to save the new template. Any settings that can be added to or modified in a document, whatever settings, appearance or font changes, anything if you are making no in a document, it can be saved in a template. For example, below are some of the settings that can be included in a writer document and then saved as a template for later use. Okay, we can save it as a template for the later use. What are all the settings we can change it in the document means, in the template means, printer settings, which printer, whether it is single sided or double sided, that template will be going to be printed as single sided or double sided, and paper size, all those things we can set it in the template. And styles to be used also, including character styles, page frame styles, numbering and paragraph styles, all those styles also you can mention in the template. And format and settings regarding indexes, tables, bibliographies, table of contents, all those things you can mention in the template. Template can also contain predefined text. So some text will be placed, some can be placed in the template also. It's when you are saving that, saving you from having to type it every time you create a new document. Every time we no need to create the same content again. For example, a letter template may contain your address and name and salutation. So this we no need to repeat in every document what we are, where we are typing. Okay, so for that reason only it is saving our time. Okay, template is saving our time, and we can finish our work in a faster way. So that is the advantage of this template. This settings and all we can change it, and we can save it in the same templates itself, and we can use it in a later part. Okay, and next is how we can create a template using a wizard. You can use wizards means next windows, multiple windows will get opened. Next you need to give, in that you need to choose some options in order to create the template. So different types of wizards you can, fax wizard, letter wizard, like that many wizards are there. You can choose whichever wizard template you want to create, you can choose it. You can use wizards to create templates for letters, faxes, agendas, presentations and web pages. All these things you can create the templates using wizards. For example, the fax wizard guides you through the following choices. So fax wizard, if you are choosing type of fax, we need to choose whether business or personal. So for that, what we need to do, file wizards, letter or fax or agenda or presentation web page, like that we need to choose. Now I am choosing fax because that procedure is given. So fax wizard, if you are choosing, one wizard will get opened. Okay, in that business fax or personal fax you need to choose, and then click on next. What are the items you need to include, whether logo, date, type of message, salutation, like to whom, whomever it may concern. Okay, complimentary close, sincerely or faithfully, like that you can give. Yours faithfully, regards, love, all those things you can give it. And footer note also, if you want to give, you can give. Next you can use return address, all those things. And then next also you can give, enter the text for the footer, whatever footer information you want to give. If you want to include page number, you can include the page number, and then click on next. And finally the location and name where you want to save the template name we need to give here, and which location you want to save, that location also you need to give, and then we need to click on finish. Okay, so like this we can create a template using the wizard. So type of fax, business or personal, document elements like the date, subject line, salutation, complimentary close like regards, faithfully, all those things, salutation to whomever it may concern, options for sender and recipient information, and then sender address, recipient address, all those things, text to include in the footer, all those things you need to follow. And finally you need to save the information in, save the template in one location. So from the main menu, choose file wizards, type of template you required, that is fax or letter or agenda, presentation, web page, you can choose it. Follow the instructions on the pages of the wizard. This process is slightly different for each type of template, but the format is very similar. Some informations alone, the process alone, slightly different for each type of template. That is agenda or letter or presentation. Some process alone will be slightly different. So in the last section of the wizard, you can specify the name and location for saving the template. Name of the template and location where you want to save. All those things you need to mention, specify. The default location is your user templates directory only, but you can choose a different location also if you want to prefer to save the template in a new location. Finally, you have the option of creating a new document from your template immediately. Okay, so after creating the template, you can create the new document with the help of the template what you have created now. Or manually you can change the template also. For future documents, you can reuse the template created by the wizard just as you would use any other template. So how you are using any other templates, in the same manner you can use this template which you have created using the wizard also. Next is setting a default template. So whenever you open any writer document software for the first time, some templates defaultly will be loaded from the OVO library, also OVO organization. Okay, OpenOffice ORG, and that will be defaultly installed. So that default template, it will be already fixed. So how we can change this default template as a custom template? Okay, so whatever template, custom template means what template we have created now, user has created now. So that template we can make it as a default template. How we can do the changes? So let us see the procedure now. So if you create the document by choosing file, new text document, like a spreadsheet, presentation, or drawing, from the main menu, OO creates the document from the default template for the type of document, whatever type of document we are creating. Okay, default template will be loaded by the OO. You can, however, set a custom template to be default. Custom template means what we have created, that template we can make it as a default. You can reset the default later if you want to choose. We can reset it later. Okay, the default template now again we can reset to later on after using the custom template. So how to set the custom template as the default? You can set any template to be the default template as long as it is one of the folders displayed in the template management dialog box. So it should be, the template should be available inside the one of the folders of template management dialog box. So how we can make a custom template as the default one? From the main menu, choose file, templates, and organize. See, from the main menu, choose file, templates, and then organize. Okay, and from here you need to choose the template you want to make it as a custom. Okay, so my templates, you just choose presentation backgrounds. In my templates, none of the templates are available, so that I'm going to show you how we can make it as some templates as a set as a default template. So here if I choose nothing is available, commands, no commands, it's not showing anything. Update and printer settings options only available if you are clicking this down arrow. But so that I'm going for this presentation templates, so that it's easy to explain for you. Okay, now if I have chosen this, if you click this commands, okay, set as default template, like that it is coming now. You can click this option in order to set this template as a custom template. Okay, so in the box on the left, select the folder containing the template. That only I have done. In the template management dialog box, in the box on the left side, okay, select the folder from where you want to choose the template as the custom template, sorry, custom template as the default template. So just choose the template which you want to make it as a default template, and then click on down arrow near to the commands. In the right side box of this time template management dialog box, set as default template, you just choose it. Okay, click the commands button and choose set as the default template from the drop down menu. Next time that you create the document by choosing file new, the document will be created from this template what we have chosen now. And how we can reset the default template to re-enable the OOS default template. So already some template would be used as the default template, no? So how to get back the default template? Okay, now we have assigned custom template in the previous step. Whatever template we have created, that we have assigned as a default template. No, how to get back the default template which the OO was used in the starting? So for that, just reset default template. We need to choose from the commands button from the time template management dialog box. Okay, so to re-enable OO's default template for a document type as the default, in the template management dialogs, click any folder in the box on the left. Click the commands button. Any folder, just click it and go to commands button and choose reset default template from the drop down menu. Next time that you create a document by choosing file new, the default will be created from OO's default template for that document type. So with this, our third session is also over. Next, we will be moving on to fourth session, that is working with tables in LibreOffice Writer or OpenOffice Writer. Actually, LibreOffice Writer, OpenOffice Writer, both are similar only, working similar only. So that now you are learning OpenOffice Writer, better you go in OpenOffice Writer itself. Okay. So this topic we will see in the next video.